In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Calendly account. So this is very easy to do, and the first step is you want to open your account. So currently I have this Checkmark Academy, and you want to go to all settings over here. And now from here you can see your account, and if you scroll down, you can see that there's this option to delete your account. So if you click on it, you can choose from those three options. So firstly, you can transfer ownership and then delete this account. You can keep my account and leave organization. Or you can delete my account and disband organization. So if you don't want to transfer ownership, you can delete your account and disband the organization. So if you click on it, then next, you need to enter the verification code to send to your email and paste it here. Then you want to choose the reason for deleting your account. So let's say I no longer need it. And anything else you would like to share, you can type it here. Then disband organization, and this is going to delete your account on the Calendly. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.